So hello once again. So it's still me, Sven Wassmer, and next to it I have Andy Forbush. He's my chef pâtissier. So we are showing you two desserts. So we have like a little pre-dessert, what's a refreshing part. So after those many dishes to come down, we have white currant sorbet, what we are serving with a barrel-aged Negroni, what has been washed with green olives. And to finish off, we have made from the currant leaves. We did an oil out of it, so it's very powerful and very strong and floral. And that's our refreshing course, what we have at the moment. That dish, normally we are plating all the things on the table to have a bit more fun, so we always drop in advance the barrel, and then the customers are already like, oh wow, what's in there, and it's like, it's a bit of a mystic thing going on. And then we come and we have that nice sorbet. It's just freshly done. Then we just scoop it out, just one little scoop. Then we actually take out some of the Negroni from the barrel. Just we open up the thing. You see already it's like a very nice intense color. Sorry. And then we just pour the Negroni over the sorbet to cool down right away. And then at the end we have the few drops of that currant leaf oil that are very powerful and very essential for that dish, because it really brings all the flavor nicely together. That's our refreshing course right now.